So today let's learn the way that you view your transaction history inside of Robinhood. Whether you're trying to look at your transfers or your dividends that you receive inside of Robinhood, let me show you the steps and the section where you can view those. To get started, you'll need to head over to the person icon that you see on the bottom right, which is the profile section of your Robinhood account. From here, head over to the hamburger menu, which is the 3 lines on the top left of the screen. Once you're inside of menu, you'll be able to see the option called history. So just head over to the history option. And as I said earlier, you'll be able to view all of your history that is made inside of your account, whether they be transfers, any orders that you placed, dividends, or you can also take a look at others by swiping left. And if you want to view all of those transactions all at once, make sure to tap on the all history tab. This way you can see all of the transactions that you made from and to your account of Robinhood. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos.